So, good morning, Chan. I hope you are doing well. And today's there is light, not light rain, but yeah, there is heavy rain in my locality, and I can show you. If you can sense that there is like water droplets are being on the floor, and there is a huge bird here. Yeah, so yeah, so I have two options today because there was a heavy rain and it is still raining. So I was thinking in my mind, should I like call off my video recording session here, or should I do later up? But I haven't listened to my heart what it's saying. I have just made my mind that I want to be the consistent person. I want to show up every single day. I want to record myself every single day. Then no one can stop me. No one can. Even I can't stop myself. This is what I have thought. And the rain is getting more and more heavier right now. But I don't have to think that much about rain because if your vision is clear, na, then you can do anything. If your vision is clear, then you can do anything. You can do anything. Like the power of compounding is the best thing that we can learn throughout our life. Because the thing is that if we will not do today, see what happens. The scenario after I call off my video recording session today. See, there will be two cases. First case is that maybe there is a high percent chance that I got addicted. I got accustomed of that habit to call off my habit just because of the minor excuses, just because of the minor distractions, just because of the minor barriers, obstacles, hindrance, whatever you can say. But that drives me to being a procrastinator person, and I don't want to find me like that again, because I have healed myself. I have kind of you can say, okay, my video is lagging, I want to record it again, so please hold here. So yeah, I was telling you all that there will be two scenarios. First, I will call up my habit of being disciplined person. Then definitely it will hit me back, because I know that what it takes to be the person that you want to see yourself again. Because it's my day 38 or maybe 39 straight, and I am showing up every single day. So that is the achievement for me. That is a minuscule achievement, but I want to celebrate it. Why? Because there will be the two person. First, who just conceal themselves in the wherever they are in. They will think like that, okay, today is raining heavily, so I should have to call up my whatever they have planned with them. Maybe some people want to hit gym today, some people want to go for a walk, or some people want to do any blah 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 things, but they won't do. So this is the difference between the extraordinary person and just a thinker person. Be the doer. Don't be the thinker, and it will definitely help you out. So please, if you are listening me, so please be the doer. Please be the doer. Yeah, it is raining heavily, and I can sense that my office timing is around the corner, so I must be late. But that is okay, because every employee will not be up on time today, because yeah, it is raining heavily in my locality. So 15 or 20 minutes late will be manageable and can be bearable by anyone. So, but we don't have to quit whatever we have planned with us. If I will record only 2 minutes of my video today, then I'll be more happy rather than just to call up my daily scheduled plan, because it shows that you are serious, you are consistent enough for your goal, for your dream, for your everything that you want to see in you for upcoming in upcoming 5 years, 10 years. Yeah, that is a huge number. But the simple thing is that I want to show you the mirror that you can't find anyone, not a single person is there. Yeah, of course it is raining, so how come any person will be there? But still I am here na. So that is why I am asking you to let out of your comfort zone, and the weather is getting, and the like rain is getting heavy today. So that is the other problem. We have to think about our own, because no one is thinking about me. So how come I will think about them? The rain is getting heavy. So yeah.